Hi, Siri.
Hey there.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Umaga na kaya? Boba. Okay. Um, can you give me a boyfriend?
I'm afraid I don't know the answer to that.
Ulitin ko. Can you give me a boyfriend?
This is about you, not me.
Ha? Sumasagot talaga. Sige. Do you have a boyfriend?
I have you. That's enough family for me.
Ha? Sumasagot talaga. Tsuktsakera sa ating Siri. Okay. What's your real name, Siri?
Is there something I can help you with?
Tinatanong ko, what's your real name?
Let me check on that. Alright, here's what I got.
Che, tumigil ka na. I'm asking, what's your real name? Sagot!
Who? Me?
Yes! Yes! You! You!
I thought so.
Lumalabang ka ha. Okay, ito na nga lang. Um, kindly call my booking on my phone.
Which booking?
Ha?